everybody, it's Melissa from Buckeyegirls, Wreaths and Things. I have a special announcement. My birthday's coming up in August the 9th. Well, to celebrate my birthday, I can't go have a girls' weekend or go crafting with my girlfriends. So I have decided to do a YouTube collaboration with some of my favorite designers and some of my best friends. That will be August the 7th. It will start at 7 p.m. I will be the designer that starts the collab, and for every hour there will be a new designer. And drum roll, here's the designers lineup. Carolynne from Nonnoas Nutty Krafts. Barb from Barb's Country Creations. And our favorite my favorite Unique in the Creek designer. Now, I love them all. But we love Connie. Connie M from Wreaths by Connie M will all be in the collaboration for my birthday, and it's going to be called Crafty for Christmas. So we will all be doing Christmas decor. And here is a sneak peek of the ribbon for my video. And that's all the sneak peeks you get. That's all the announcements you get. Come join us. It's going to be a blast, because you never know what we're going to be making. It's all Christmas. If you want to get ready for Christmas, this is the time. Talk to you later. And run over and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And hit the notification bell so you know when this collaboration is going to go down, because this is going to be good. And run over to my friends' YouTubes too, because you want to know what they're making too. Talk to you later. Bye.